Which ano? Which attraction you like most? Which attraction like most?
The roller coaster next is right.
The one with the dragon? Ha? The one with the dragon?
Yung green. Hindi na i-drop ko muna while the movie na no, kasi baka isa. Baka kaya ba yung isa tagal? Kaya nakapalubog na.
Wala namang pila eh. Matagal lang yata yung palabas.